a giveaway on the Knit Crate yarn, and you get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet full of patterns. And if you'd like to sign up under me, your first month, you can get 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20, and the links for everything are listed down below. To participate in this giveaway, this is sponsored by Knit Crate, and you can comment down below something crochet related. I have a crochet page and group if you'd like to join. 2 books on Amazon that I wrote for crocheting listed down below. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. I'll pick a winner in a couple of weeks with a random comment picker as well. If this is something that you're new to, that's how it works. This is the Boy Knits, Brooklyn. And it looks like this. It's a multiple, it looks like a mix of light and medium browns. It's really pretty and soft. This is the superwash merino wool. Worsted weight. The suggested needles. Very nice yarn. And this is the other one. It has a mix of orange and green and brown. So it is different types. And this is the same, of course, 100% wool. It just has more different types of colors in it, as you can tell, like an orange mix to it. But it's still really nice. This is the booklet, Inspirations. And this is about Brooklyn Boy Knits. This year, several of our crates have been made in a collaboration with our favorite knitting and crocheter influencers. Membership yarns. This is the one right here, the Jungle and Bushwick, all natural. Sock yarns. Crochet, this crochet socks. Crochet cowl. If you hear anything in the background, it's my washer. Patterns, the upside down cowl, very pretty, and it looks like it's purl and knit on this one, and this one is the crochet one, and these are socks, very pretty, nice socks. This is the knit, and this is the crochet one for socks. So you get all of those patterns in this giveaway, and you get the 2 skeins of yarn valued at $24.95. If you'd like to sign up under me, you can join with the link down below and get your first month 20% off, like I said, with the promo code JEWEL20. And I have the crochet group and page on Facebook if you'd like to join. All right, well, thank you for watching. Please comment down below so you can participate. You can type in anything crochet related, anything like you're crocheting, anything you'd like to see in future videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Make sure you're a subscriber for this giveaway as well.